Ever thought about having a serene pond in your backyard? A raised garden pond can transform your outdoor space into a peaceful oasis, providing a habitat for aquatic plants and wildlife, and offering a soothing retreat from everyday life. Building a DIY raised garden pond might seem daunting, but with the right tips and tricks, you can create a beautiful and functional feature in your garden. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Planning your raised garden pond. 1. Choose the right location. Selecting the perfect spot for your pond is crucial. Ensure the location gets a mix of sun and shade throughout the day. Too much sun can lead to excessive algae growth, while too much shade can inhibit the growth of aquatic plants. Additionally, avoid areas with overhanging trees to minimize debris falling into the pond. 2. Determine the size and shape. Decide on the size and shape of your pond based on the available space and your aesthetic preferences. A larger pond can support more plants and fish, but even a small pond can be a striking feature. Consider using a preformed pond liner or designing a custom shape with a flexible pond liner. Building your raised garden pond. 3. Gather materials. You'll need several materials for your DIY project. Pond liner, preformed or flexible. Pond pump and filter. Bricks, concrete blocks, or wooden planks for the raised structure. Gravel, sand, and pond substrate. Aquatic plants and fish, optional. Decorative stones and pebbles. 4. Construct the raised structure. Build the walls of your raised pond using bricks, concrete blocks, or treated wooden planks. Ensure the structure is level and sturdy. If using wood, line the interior with a pond liner to prevent water from seeping through. For brick or block structures, consider using mortar for added stability. 5. Install the pond liner. Place the pond liner inside the raised structure. If using a flexible liner, ensure it fits snugly against the walls and bottom of the pond. Smooth out any wrinkles to prevent leaks and create a clean appearance. Trim any excess liner, leaving enough to secure it around the edges. 6. Add gravel and substrate. Add a layer of gravel or pond substrate to the bottom of the pond. This will provide a base for aquatic plants and help maintain water clarity. Avoid using regular garden soil, as it can cloud the water and introduce unwanted nutrients. Adding water and plants. 7. Fill the pond with water. Slowly fill the pond with water, ensuring the liner remains in place. If using tap water, let it sit for 24 hours to allow chlorine to dissipate or use a dechlorinator. Check the water level and adjust as needed. 8. Install the pump and filter. A pond pump and filter are essential for maintaining clean and healthy water. The pump will circulate water, preventing stagnation, while the filter will remove debris and excess nutrients. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation and maintenance. 9. Introduce aquatic plants. Aquatic plants not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your pond, but also help maintain water quality. Choose a mix of submerged, marginal, and floating plants. Submerged plants like cornwort and anacharis oxygenate the water, while marginal plants like water lilies and irises add visual interest. Maintaining your raised garden pond. 10. Regular maintenance. Perform regular maintenance to keep your pond in top condition. This includes cleaning the filter, removing debris, and topping up the water level. Monitor the health of your plants and fish, and take action if you notice any issues. 11. Seasonal care. Different seasons require different care routines. In warmer months, ensure the water does not overheat and manage algae growth. In colder months, take measures to prevent the pond from freezing completely, such as using a pond heater or de-icer. Creating a DIY raised garden pond is a rewarding project that can enhance the beauty and tranquility of your backyard. With careful planning, the right materials, and regular maintenance, your pond can become a thriving ecosystem that you and your family can enjoy for years to come. So, why not take the plunge and start building your raised garden pond today? Your serene backyard oasis awaits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.